Let it work. Locked in the rear. Slowly now. Come on up. Come on up slowly. Come on up slowly. Turn your wheels to the left. Back up a little bit. Okay, now turn them right. Right there. Come on up slowly. Girls ready? Slowly, slowly. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Stay right there.
Oh my God!
Holy shit! Hey, where's his camera?
I have it recording.
Are you videotaping?
Oh yeah.
Okay, we need some still shots too, though.
Let me take a picture.
Okay.
We have 2 videos.